wonder how the Earth floats in space? Here's a neat LED lamp that captures that phenomenon. This is the magnetic levitation globe. By using magnetic forces, the globe is able to stay suspended in space just like Earth. To attach, place the globe close to the lamp until it locks into the magnetic forces. Let go and see the wonder of this device. Here's another angle to show you how the magic happens. Notice how even if a piece of paper was to pass through the space, the magnetic suspension is strong enough to lock the globe in place. See why this is rated one of our best gadgets for the office and impress others with this novel design and device. Get it from gearbest.com before it's too late.
Game on with MIP Arcade, the self-balancing robot who brings the game room to your home. MIP Arcade responds to you.
Booyah!
And holds your stuff too. He's one competitive bot who keeps you playing non-stop. Unlock over 20 plus games with the MIP Arcade app. With brain train games, test your memory, reflexes, or jump shot. Play one-on-one or challenge a friend. MIP Arcade has all of the moves to keep you entertained with endless fun and games.
Go, MIP, do the robot. Go, MIP, do the robot.